Dr. Barrows, text subject number 8.0. Patient name is Ipod. Some problem. Can't quite pinpoint the problem. With exploratory surgery, we might be able to pinpoint the case of the blues. Proceed by trying to pry off the head of the iPod. This spot right here. If you notice here, the anterior of the iPod is nice to use. The posterior, both sides, are plenty loose, but something on the anterior side of the iPod seems to be clinging. So with the gingerest of technical metal touches, I'll try wiggling. Wiggling's a no-go. Next, we're going to try prying. Light. Find out where the point of contention is coming from. Just staying corrected. Dr. Murphy, would you have a look at the top of that? Look through there. If you look through the top, you can see that something is clearly still attached.
Yes, it's this. The headset. You have to,
How would you recommend we sever that? Maybe we push down on the headset and get it out of the metal casing?
Well, at this point, I believe we should take the muscular,
chassis?
Archaic.
Muscular archaic
Yes.
must be descended.
We'll take the needle nose pliers, and we will separate the metal casing from the interior metal casing in the most archaic way, because the metal casing is not salvageable at this point anyway, and nor is
That can be fixed with science and duct tape. We can rebuild it.
Yes. At this point, we just wiggle it up.
Yes! My colleague Dr. Murphy has successfully separated the back from the body.
And in doing so, separating the ribbon.
Screw the rib. Let me see. I want to see.
There you go. Here's the inside.
Cool.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like.
The iPod, 80 gigabyte, 6th generation.
In this ribbon, I'm seeing a battery. So this is the circuit for the battery?
Yes, sir. It goes to the screen. Oh, it goes to,
The charger connectivity.
I don't know where it goes. Hold on. We have to analyze. Alright, whatever. This concludes our session of breaking apart the iPod. Thank you.